Ever wondered how businesses reach out to you directly on your mobile devices? Welcome to the world of mobile marketing. This is a digital strategy developed with the sole purpose of reaching a target audience on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices through various channels like email, SMS, social media, and apps. In this era of technology, mobile marketing has become a game changer. It's a key player in the digital marketing landscape, and for good reason. It unlocks a world of opportunities for businesses to engage with their customers in an extremely personalized way. Imagine this. Over half of the world's web traffic comes from mobile devices. This is a clear sign of how integral mobile is to our lives. Now businesses can tap into this, reaching out to potential customers right at their fingertips. But what exactly does mobile marketing involve? There are four main components. First, there are mobile apps, which businesses can use to provide a user-friendly platform for their customers. Next, there are mobile websites optimized for viewing on smaller screens. Then there's SMS marketing, a direct and effective way to reach customers. Lastly, we have social media, which has become a powerful tool for businesses to build their brand and engage with their audience. This is the new frontier of marketing, offering benefits to both businesses and consumers alike. It's an exciting world that's constantly evolving, and it's here to stay. Now that we've got the basics covered, it's time to delve deeper into the world of mobile marketing. Mobile applications are at the heart of mobile marketing, but what makes them so effective? To answer that, let's start by understanding what a mobile application is. It's a software program designed for use on mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. These applications, or apps as they're commonly known, can be downloaded and installed on your device from app stores like Google Play and Apple's App Store. But why are they so crucial for businesses? Well, for starters, apps offer a unique way of engaging with your customers. They allow businesses to provide a personalized experience to their customers, tailored to their preferences and behaviors. This personalization can range from recommending products based on past purchases to sending push notifications about special offers or new products. Besides personalization, mobile applications also help in customer retention. How? By offering a platform that's easily accessible and convenient to use. With an app, your customers have your business right at their fingertips, anytime, anywhere. This ease of access encourages repeat business and fosters customer loyalty. But it's not just about selling products. Apps can also be used for a variety of other purposes. They can be a source of valuable customer data, providing insights into your customers' preferences and behaviors. They can be used to offer customer support, making it easier for your customers to reach out and get help when they need it. They can even serve as a platform for customer engagement, offering interactive features like games, quizzes, and forums. And let's not forget about the marketing potential. With an app, you can send targeted marketing messages directly to your customers' devices. This direct line of communication allows you to reach your customers more effectively than traditional marketing channels. Mobile applications have revolutionized how businesses interact with their customers. But there's more to mobile marketing than just apps. So stick around as we delve deeper into the world of mobile marketing in the upcoming scenes. How does a simple text message translate into increased business opportunities? Let's talk about SMS marketing. In the digital age where social media and email often take center stage, it's easy to overlook the humble text message. Yet this unassuming tool has the power to transform your business. Welcome to the world of SMS marketing, where brevity is king and response rates reign supreme. Imagine being able to connect with your customers directly, without the noise of the internet. That's the beauty of SMS marketing. It allows you to send a concise, clear message straight to your customers' pockets. And the best part? They're almost guaranteed to read it. Studies show that 98% of text messages are opened and read, often within just 3 minutes of being received. That's a level of engagement that's hard to match. But it's not just about the numbers. SMS marketing is personal. It allows businesses to reach out to their customers on a platform that they use daily, creating a sense of intimacy and immediacy that other marketing channels can't replicate. There's no denying the benefits of SMS marketing. However, like any powerful tool, it needs to be used responsibly. Here are a few best practices to keep in mind. First, always get permission. It's essential to respect your customers' privacy and only send messages to those who have opted in. Second, be concise and clear. Remember, you only have 160 characters to work with. Make them count. Third, always provide value. Whether it's an exclusive discount, a timely reminder, or important information, make sure your messages are always beneficial to the recipient. Lastly, don't overdo it. Too many messages can lead to fatigue and increase the likelihood of recipients opting out. SMS marketing can be a powerful tool when used correctly, but it's not the only way to reach your audience. So, let's continue exploring the vast world of mobile marketing in our next scene. Stay tuned. Think about the last time you checked your social media accounts on your phone. Chances are you encountered some form of mobile marketing. Let's take a closer look into how businesses are leveraging social media platforms for mobile marketing. Social media platforms are the go-to places for businesses to reach their target audience. With billions of users worldwide, these platforms provide an immense opportunity to get your brand noticed. And when we talk about mobile devices, the reach becomes even more significant. One commonly used strategy is sponsored posts. Businesses pay social media platforms to promote their content to a wider audience. This way, even if someone isn't following your brand, they can still see your posts. It's like a billboard on the online highway, catching the attention of passersby. Then we have influencer partnerships, a strategy that capitalizes on the following and influence of popular social media personalities. Imagine an influencer your target audience follows and trusts, talking about your product or service. The potential for reach and impact is enormous. Another approach is user-generated content. This is when businesses encourage their customers to create and share content related to their brand. It could be a photo of them using your product or a review video, or even a creative post that somehow incorporates your brand. This strategy not only provides businesses with free advertising, but also fosters a sense of community and engagement among customers. But remember, social media is a two-way street. It's not just about pushing your content out there. It's about engaging with your audience, responding to their queries, and addressing their concerns. This active participation can help build trust and loyalty, which are crucial for any long-term business success. Social media has become an essential part of mobile marketing. However, it's crucial to remember that a successful strategy combines different aspects. So, while you're brainstorming your next big social media campaign, don't forget to consider how it fits into your overall mobile marketing strategy. This integrated approach will ensure that your marketing efforts are not just seen, but also felt, leading to a more profound connection with your audience. Mobile marketing is a complex field, but understanding its components can help you leverage it effectively. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, where each piece, whether it's mobile applications, SMS marketing, or social media, plays a significant role in creating a complete picture. Let's draw a quick recap. We kicked off with the basics of mobile marketing, how it's not just a trend, but a necessity in today's digital world. We then dived into the world of mobile applications, understanding their power in creating a direct communication channel with customers. Next, we moved on to the realm of SMS marketing. Despite the surge of new technologies and platforms, we learned that the humble SMS continues to hold its ground, thanks to its wide reach and high open rates. It's a reminder that sometimes the old ways can still be the best. We then navigated the bustling streets of social media, where businesses can engage with their audience on a more personal level. It's a space brimming with potential, where a well-crafted post can go viral, reaching millions in a matter of hours. But remember, these are just pieces of the puzzle. The real magic happens when you combine them, creating a comprehensive mobile marketing strategy that reaches your audience wherever they are, whenever they need. With the right approach, mobile marketing can help businesses reach their audience in a direct and personal way. So start exploring your mobile marketing options today.